class 8. Today is the first lecture of the chapter 3, that is the square and square roots. In this chapter we are going to discuss square patterns. It means that we are going to learn squaring of some particular numbers, okay, without actual multiplication. As you all of you know, the actual multiplication takes too much time, so we are going to discuss some pattern by which we can make the square easier and comfortable and for us, okay. So in that process, first one is given to you in a see on the screen, and you are able to see on the screen now. Triangular numbers are numbers whose dot patterns can be arranged as a triangles. Now there are dots now. Suppose that 1 dot, 3 dot, 6 dot, 10 dots, 15 dots. These dots are taken as here because they are arranged in a triangular form, okay. So let us come on the theme, what why these dots are written here. The theme is that if we take two consecutive dots number and add them, so we find a particular perfect square number. Suppose that we first take 1 and 3, okay. 1 plus 3 is 4, so it is the perfect square of 2 now, as all of you know. As I take two other consecutive numbers 3 who make triangle of pattern, not all the numbers. The 3 plus 6 which is written here now, see in the figure, 3 plus 6, that is the 9 now, okay. It is the perfect square of 3 now. As it, you can also take the 10 plus 6, you get 16, it is the perfect square of 4 now. As you continue now and take the numbers which can form a triangular, if the dots are formed triangular like, so after adding the two consecutive numbers who form the triangular pattern of dots, so you find the perfect square of a particular number, okay. So I have given to you work now to draw the triangular dot pattern for the number 21, okay. So do it your home now, and show me in the online classes, okay. How can you draw this one? Now come up the second one. I am going to show you second one. In the second one property, I am going to show you. See the second one, okay. The square of 1 and 11, 111, 1111. We are going to learn how can we make the square of such numbers whose all the digits are 1, okay. So it is very easy now. 1 square, all of you know that the square of 1 is 1 now, and 11, the square of 1. How we do the square of 11? From the question is arises from here now. The main topic arises from here. So first we increase and then we decrease. We follow the pattern of increasing and decreasing here. So count the number of 1 is here in 11. The number of digit of 1 is in here 11 is 2 now, 1 and 2. So first we count 1, 2, and then after decrease we increase now, and then after decrease 1, okay. Like that, take the example of 111. It is first written as 1, 2, 3. It is there is 3 digit now of 1, so it is written with 1, 2, 3, and then after it is decreases to 1, okay. Now we are going to make the square of 1111. There are 4 digits of 1, so first we write 1, 2, 3, 4 in the increasing way, and from 4 now we are going to decrease 1 by 1, so it is 3, 2, 1, okay. Now like that here, and now like that this one. So I think everyone is clear about this pattern now, and you are able to make the square of such type of numbers if are coming in the questions. So come up the third one pattern. Now we are going to learn to make the square of such type of numbers whose ones digit will be 5, okay. It is very interesting now. So for 5, first we take 5 now. So the square of 5 is all of you know that 25. Now come up with the 15 now. See the 15 one. For the 15 square, write down the square of 5, which is 25, Now come up the digits which are before the 5, which means that precedes the 5. So it is 1 now, so multiply 1 to increasing 1 in 100. Suppose that like that 1 into 2 and give the value of 100. Okay, it is written here like that 1 into 2 and it is given the value of 100 plus 25. Now 1 into 2 2 and 2 into 100 200, 200 plus 25 225. Now the square of 15 is 225. Like that 25 square, first we square the 5, now it is 25, and then after multiply 2 to 3 because there is 2 now, so multiply it to the 3 and give the value 100. So it is 2 into 3 6 now, and 6 into 100 600, and 600 plus 25, that is the 625. Like that 125, first we take the 5, the square of 5 is 25. First step, take the square of 5, that is 25. The second one step, the number which comes before the 5, all the numbers, not only one number, not all the digits, all the digits, not all you have to take all the digits, not one digits which comes before the 5. Okay, so you can write that as 12 into 13, 12 into 13 and 100. That is, after multiplying 12 and 13, the number which we get, you have to multiply this one to 100 now and then add to 25, that is 15,600 plus 25. Okay, I think everyone is clear about these properties now. Now come up the last one properties of today's class. I am going to share you, see on the screen now. This is the last property one which we have to discuss now. See the pattern. The square of 7, all of you know that 49. Here 67 square, 667 square, 6,667 square, 66,667 square. Okay, so you see that the square of this one, see the square of 67 square, 4489. Okay, see the square of 667 square, you get that 444, sorry, not 444889. So what you observe from these two and these two, you observe that the number of 8, 9 is clear, 9 is always fixed digit now, it is always come in the ones place when we square the 7 now. So comes up the digits which are precedes the 9, that is 8 8. It is equal to the number of digits of 6 now, whose square we are making now, that is 2 here 8 and 2 is also here. So 8 is equal to 6 now. Now see the 4, number of 4s. The number of 4s is more than 1 to the 8. The number of 4 is more 1 than 8 now. So like that we are going to try make the square of 6 6 6 6 6 7. The ones digit will be same now. Now come up for the other one. How many 8s there? There are number of 5 6 now, so there are 8 5 now, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now how many 4s are? 5 4s, there's 5 8 now, so there are 6 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think everyone is clear about this pattern and understand this pattern now. So with these patterns and this method of squaring, you can save the time also. Okay, not for all the numbers. I have also told to you this is a particular type of numbers. For the first one it is the 1 now, if all the digits will be 1, so how can we square them? Now second one, if the last digit will be 5 now, so how it is the square now? And the last one which I have told to you, here. So with the help of these patterns we are going to solve exercise 3.2 in the online classes. Okay, in the online classes, if you have any problem in the question, so ask to me. We are trying to solve in the classes now, and if you are not able to solve in the classes, so I send to you in the PDF form. So okay students, we are going to leave the class. Bye.